The cat's meow. Unraveling slang in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of English slang. Our phrase of the day is, the cat's meow. Not only will we explore its meaning, but we'll also discover its origin and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, if you're ready to add some flair to your English, keep watching. The cat's meow is an expression used to describe something that is considered outstanding or excellent. It's akin to saying something is top-notch or the best. This phrase is often used when someone is impressed with a person, an object, or even an idea. For instance, if you find a restaurant that you really love, you might say, "This place is the cat's meow." This phrase originated in the United States during the 1920s. The 1920s, also known as the Roaring Twenties, was a time of jazz music, flappers, and speakeasies. Slang was very popular during this era, and the cat's meow was just one of the many whimsical phrases that emerged. It's believed that this phrase, along with others like the bee's knees, were created simply for the fun of inventing new expressions. Now let's see how to incorporate the cat's meow into your everyday language. 1. Praise. Your new dress is really the cat's meow. 2. Approval. I just read your article. It's absolutely the cat's meow. 3. Admiration. Did you see her dance? She's the cat's meow on the dance floor. Remember, this phrase adds a playful and somewhat vintage charm to your conversation, so it's perfect when you want to sound both appreciative and stylish. And there you have it. You now know how to use the cat's meow to jazz up your English. It's a fun, vintage phrase that's sure to impress, just like the best things in life. So, the next time you find something truly outstanding, don't forget to call it the cat's meow. Happy learning, and see you in our next English adventure.